Hello everybody, here's another update on the Suburban, which I think I'm going to have to name the Money Pit because this thing has really turned into a project that has taken a lot more than I thought it would. I'll call it my mistake. I know several other people have videos on there about their mistakes. This one's mine. My wife's been pretty upset about it. It looks good. It's still not on the road because now I'm waiting for the title to come back on it. Got it inspected by the police department and everything. They came out and did a VIN check and all that stuff so I could apply for a salvage title in Indiana because I purchased a car from Copart in Ohio. So I have to go through all the process of transferring the salvage title from Ohio to Indiana. Passed the inspection okay. The paint work, body work, everything like that turned out really good on this. Here's the latest thing that I had to do. This company, Safety Restore, I'd recommend them. I don't know, I'm sure a lot of you guys have different places that you use, but had to send the driver and passenger side seatbelt retractors in. They were blown, locked up, of course. So this company right here, $64.95 plus my shipping, which was $15.15, free return shipping from them. They rebuilt those and brought them back up to snuff. So pretty quick turnaround time. Actually, this is Saturday the 17th. I mailed them last Saturday, 2-day priority. I'm sorry, last Thursday. They got them on Saturday, and they had them back to me yesterday on Friday the 16th. So pretty good turnaround time. I unwrapped the one, and it does come out of the retractor now. So I'm sure they'll be fine. But I've got to put those back in. Waiting on a clock spring for the steering column. That should be here either today or Monday, I'm hoping, so I can put the steering wheel back together, and hopefully that'll take care of some other issues that I've got. Anyway, really not much more to say about this vehicle other than I hopefully get it on the road at some point. And it's really nice vehicle. Even the guys at the body shop said it turned out really nice. They were pleased with it. Had to have the frame pulled, which it didn't appear that was damaged in the initial wreck. I sure got a lesson on frames in modern vehicles. So anyway, they were reluctant to take on this project, as a couple other places were also, but they finally said they would do it. Did a fantastic job on it. Paint looks great. Got the windshield replaced. It's a matter of, loose ends now and getting the title work back. So hopefully I'll be driving this thing before the end of November, maybe. And planning on keeping it because given what I've got in it, which is a lot more than I thought I was going to have in it, and probably wouldn't be able to sell it for what I'm going to have in it now, which is still less than what I could buy one off the lot, but not real great. So anyway, I'm going to put these belts back in, and pretty easy to do all that. You guys that work on cars all the time are going to know what I'm into on that. So anyway, good luck everybody. Thanks for watching. Comment, tell me what you think, and I know what my wife would tell me what she thinks, but I don't think I can put that on the video. Not real happy with this guy right here. So anyway, I'm trying to get it going, get her happy, and we'll see what happens when I get it on the road.